I'm out here door dashing, hunting unicorns like a wizard.
What the fuck are you looking at, Gandalf?
I think I just picked up one. $9.75 for 5 miles. I think it's a unicorn, baby. I think it's gonna be at least a $20 order, $30 order. Let's get it. I'm about to drop it off, see what it really is, baby. Let's go. Drop that bad boy off. Ended up being $24. Nah, that's a unicorn.
Now that's a fire. That's a fire. Look at that.
Just grabbed another one.
$8.75, 5.8 miles. I'm gonna tell you how I know at the end of the video. But first, let me go grab this. Let's get it.
The results are in.
$17 instead of $8.
That's a huge bitch.
I just got another one. $9.75 for 6 miles, 7 items. Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, $22 instead of $9.75.
One ring to rule them all. And in the darkness, find them.
Now let me tell y'all how I know that these orders are gonna have huge hidden tips. This is kind of how I dash, y'all. I dash off the high payout, the low mileage, man. It's great when gas prices are like this, or really, even if gas prices go back down, it's great to hunt these unicorns, man. It's great. The first thing I look at, man, this is how I know. The first thing I look at when I'm looking for unicorns, when I'm out here hunting, man, I want to hunt with the bow and arrow from Immortals, man. That thing was sweet. I want to hunt with that. Hunt unicorns. The first thing I look at, the mileage versus the payout. If the mileage versus the payout isn't at least $1.50 per mile, I would not expect that order to be a unicorn. You at least want it to be $1.50 per mile. And if it's not, then it's not going to be a unicorn. It's not going to have a hidden tip in it. Second thing I'm looking at, the restaurant. Is this a high-end restaurant? If it is, then I'm looking at the item count. Is the customer spending over $100 with this item count? Buddy's Pizza, 5 items from Buddy's Pizza. I know in my head that as long as they didn't get no little garlic packets or no sides of ranch, that Buddy's Pizza is expensive as hell. And they only make 8 square pizzas. That's the biggest pizza that they make, is an 8 square pizza, and it costs like $30. So 3 of those is $90. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm looking at the item count, man. You don't want to think about places like Taco Bell, because that'll confuse you, man. A place from Taco Bell, if it says 20 items, they could have got a variety of sauces. And it definitely probably is not a unicorn, man. I don't expect people to tip from fast food restaurants like that. I don't even go to fast food restaurants, so I really don't even know how it goes. I definitely never seen a $20 order from a fast food restaurant. Have you? If you have, let me know in the comments, man. Let me know in the comments if you've seen somebody spend $100 at McDonald's and tip you good. Let me know in the comments. It just never happened to me because I just don't even go to fast food like that, unless it's in the morning or late at night. Another thing I look at, another way that I know for sure that it's not a unicorn, if it pops up at the acceptance screen for under $6, $5 order, $4 order, $3 order, $2 order, those orders never have hidden payouts. Another thing I know, shop to deliver orders, they never have a hidden payout. So far, in my experience, I've never seen a hidden payout from a shop to deliver order recently. So I think they just really prioritize the shop to deliver orders, and they show you what it is. At acceptance screen, they're like 100% transparent with shop to deliver orders out here in Michigan, for sure. All right. Another way I know that it's not going to have a hidden payout in it, if it's a weird number like 36 cents, 74 cents, 22 cents, anything except for 25, 50, 75, or on the dollar, I don't see hidden payouts from those kind of orders. If it pops up for $7.92, you're going to get $7.92 out of that order, regardless of mileage, regardless of the item count, regardless of any of that. You will see orders with, a couple of these things But one thing is wrong, and I'm telling you, it's not a unicorn, man. Everything has to be right. Everything has to match. And that's how I'm out here finding them, man. I make good money, and I don't even drive a lot, man. I'm trying not to use that much gas. You know, gas prices is crazy out here in this world. Man, that's going to be the end of my video, man. I just wanted to throw y'all some good tips, man. I'm trying to be helpful. I'm trying to get everybody out there making some good money on Doordash, man. We should have some happy days, you know. It starts to be fun when you start making some actual good money, you know. I kind of treat it like a game, man. That's why I call it I'm out here hunting unicorns, you feel me? Kind of treat it like a game because it starts to get fun when you getting good tips and you getting good money, man. Find you a good market, work the right hours, and hunt unicorns, man. That's what we got to do. All right, man. If you watch to the end of the video, you already know. Decline till I die in the comments. I love my subscribers. I'm about to be dropping videos every day for y'all, at least one video a day. If you ain't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Everybody leave a comment. I want to talk to everybody. I reply to all my comments. Go ahead and hit that like button for me, you know. I'll holler at y'all in the next video.
Catch you on the flip side, motherfuckers.